In this video, I'll be going over a comparison of FB Markets and Hankotrade, and I would like to answer the question which broker is better for you. So if you start trading in whatever financial market, it's really important to choose the right broker. It's really important, and with this video I would like to help you make an informed decision. So what are we going to cover today? First, a quick glimpse of the websites of FB Markets and Hankotrade, company backgrounds. Then I go over the account types and minimum deposits, the trading platforms, spreads and commissions, leverage options, regulatory status and security, deposit and withdrawal methods, customer support, and educational resources, pros and cons, and last but not least, the user review and reputation. So we start with a glimpse of both websites. This is the homepage of FB Markets, and as you can see immediately, it offers really tight spreads from 0.0 pips, multilingual customer support 24/7. Even the market is 24/5 open. They also offer support in weekends. Really low fee-free funding options, and this also really important negative balance protection, which means that you can't go below zero, right? Your balance cannot go below zero, and it's regulated. It's a regulated broker. Over here we see again the really tight spreads. It offers many instruments, CFD, on Forex, indices, metals, shares, commodities. Over here, it offers MetaTrader 4, 5, WebTrader, even TradingView, I noticed. And it's a regulated broker. It offers segregated client funds, which is really important. And it's established in 2020. I mean, it's established in 2005. So it's it's operational for about 20 years. So it's the 3rd of January, so it's 2025 right now, so it's about 20 years. Let me go over about about FB Markets, and also why you should use FB Markets. Company snapshot, again, it's a summary of what we already saw. Really fast execution, over 10,000 products in global markets, segregated retail client funds, 24/7 multilingual award-winning support. And I have already tested the support, and it's really good. They are really fast with the responses. So in that case, it's FB Markets. It's quite good broker. Again, here we have the same information. They're regulated, and they are really good with their client support. And here we see that they have 38 global industry awards, which is really important. So it shows you that this broker is trusted. 6 times winner, number one most satisfied traders, etc. We have a winner, best customer service. As I already mentioned, their customer service was really good. So that is just in short FB Markets. Let me show you Hankotrade. This is the homepage, and over here we see that you can trade with a true ECN broker. Maximum leverage is 500. Also really low spreads. We go down, they offer 3 account types, transaction cost, ECN plus, STP, indices, it's all different of course. And we see that they offer Hanko X platform, so no MT4 or MT5. So you can only use crypto, and that is because to deposit and also withdraw. That is because Hankotrade is not a regulated broker. So we can check over here why Hankotrade. They offer a lot of instruments as well. Trading instruments of great opportunities. They offer really low spreads. I also have an account with Hankotrade, and they do have low spreads. And over here we don't see a lot of information compared to FP Markets. And I can also say that their customer support is also really good. They do not have I didn't try calling with them, but their chat function works really, really well. You can also just check it out yourself. And over here I see that they are also on Discord. They also provide support on that platform. That's just a quick glimpse of the websites. Let's continue. Okay, so if we go back to the company backgrounds, we see that FP Markets is established in 2005. So they are here for a long time, and they are located in Sydney, and they are regulated, as mentioned, by ASIC, CISEC, FSCA, and FSA. And if you compare that to Hankotrade, they're founded in 2018, and they are not regulated. They are an offshore broker. That's really, for me, it's crucial. But I have to say that you can trade with FP Markets if you are an American, but you can if you use Hankotrade. For Americans, they make it a little bit difficult in the Forex industry. There are a few trading brokers that allow US citizens, but they have all kind of different rules. For example, the first in, first out rule if you open multiple orders, and they have many other rules which are not really that beneficial, to be honest, for traders. But if you're American, if you're a US citizen, then you can use offshore brokers because they do not have to comply to all the rules. They're not regulated, so it also has its downsides. The account types and minimum deposit. So FP Markets, they offer a standard account and a raw account. Standard account, you can start with $100 Australian or equivalent, and raw account is again $100 Australian dollars, so it's not a lot in my opinion. Hankotrade offers 3 account types. We already saw them: STP, ECN, and ECN Plus. Minimum deposit is $10, $100, and $1,000. If we look at the trading platforms, FP Markets, we already saw where they offer many trading platforms: MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and WebTrader. And Hankotrade used to provide MT4 and MT5, but now only Hanko X. So I didn't use Hanko X, but I do like MT4 and MT5. It's quite simple. Maybe it's just a matter of being used to it, but personally I would go for MT4 and MT5. Hankotrade, they used to provide MT4, MT5, but now only Hanko X. Spreads and commissions. FP Markets, they offer again a raw account and a standard account, and they offer really tight spreads, 0.0 pips with a 3.5 commission per side. And you also have the standard account. The spread starts from 1.0 and you pay no commission. Standard account is a little bit better for beginners. Raw account is more if you are into algorithmic trading and more like really fast scalping. For the majority of the people, to just make it easy, make it simple, use a standard account. Hankotrade, you have again 3 account types, and the spreads 0.7 pips, no commission, 0.0 pips with a $2 commission per side. And last but not least, the ECN Plus account, the spreads start from 0.0 pips, but you pay a $1 commission per side. Regarding the leverage, both brokers, it's quite simple. Both brokers, they offer the maximum leverage up to 1 to 500, which is a lot. Mostly the regulated US brokers, they offer 1 to 10, I believe maximum 1 to 30. So if you compare it, or even 1 to 50, something like that, but not above the 100. So if you compare it to these brokers, even though FP Markets is regulated, but it's not a US broker. They offer really high leverage, which is, I mentioned it in another video. The higher the leverage, the more money you can make, but you can also lose your money quite fast. Regulatory status and security. I already mentioned it. FP Markets, they are regulated by multiple top-tier authorities, which ensures high security and compliance. We already saw the awards that they received, so it's a really respected broker, Forex broker. And Hankotrade, they're good, but they operate as a unregulated offshore broker, which may pose higher risks. For now, they always did pay out, but it's not guaranteed. With FP Markets, it's a regulated broker. It would be really strange if you didn't get a payout. And the deposits and withdrawal methods, there's also quite a difference. With FP Markets, there are various methods, including bank transfers, credit card, debit card, even PayPal, which is really useful. I use it a lot. And e-wallets. Personally, I do not use e-wallets, but Hankotrade, they only accept crypto payments, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And that's because they are not regulated, right? They cannot offer the other deposit and withdrawal methods that FP Markets offers. Regarding the customer support and educational resources, FP Markets offers 24/7 customer support and a range of educational materials, so you can just improve your trading. Do you want to be a scalper? Do you want to be a day trader, a swing trader? They have all kind of information on that. How specific indicators work, etc. But Hankotrade, they do provide a responsive customer support, but has limited educational resources. So I tested both customer support. FP Markets, they respond quite fast. I believe in about 1 minute. You have a real person ask questions to. And Hankotrade, I tested the customer support as well. They answered my question quite fast and also quite thorough, so that's good. But they do offer limited educational resources. The pros and cons. Well, FP Markets, the pros are that they are highly regulated, they offer a sense of security, and they offer multiple trading platforms, and also they have competitive spreads, especially on the raw account, starting from 0.0. Cons is that the minimum deposit is $100 or Australian dollars, and even though I believe it's not that high, but it might be high for beginners that have like $10 or $20 to just test out the waters. Another con is the high stock CFD fees, limited to 2 account types. So Hankotrade, they offer 3 account types. However, you do not need more than the standard and the raw account personally. Hankotrade, the pros is that they offer low minimum deposit requirements, $10 as we saw, high leverage options, 500, 1 to 500 leverage, and low trading fees and tight spreads. And the con is that they are not regulated. They do also not offer educational resources. It's quite limited, and only crypto deposits and withdrawals. So personally, I like PayPal or bank wire transfer, something like that, credit card, but they do not offer that. User reviews and reputation. Well, FP Markets generally positive reviews, praise for reliability and platform variety. And Hankotrade, they have mixed reviews. Some users appreciate low fees, while others express concerns over lack of regulation. Let's take a quick look. This is what I see when I look for Hankotrade's reviews. We have about 5,000 results, which is not a lot. Over here, I click on Trustpilot. I do see they have a lot of 5-star reviews, in total 4.7. Over here we see good customer service, good customer support. Over here I see a 1-star review. This person cannot place or not use a stop loss, something like that. Over here we see many other 5-star reviews. You also have to take into account that perhaps not every review is 100% real. You can just manipulate Trustpilot by buying fake reviews, 5-star reviews. So I'm not 100% sure if this is legit, but let's look at FP Markets. Over here we see over 20 million results, which is definitely more. We also see down below high ratings. We see 8.9. Okay, let me show you Hankotrade again. So over here, let me go down, because over here I see a 1.5 star and a 2.5. So if you compare that, 3 star, 4.8. But if you compare that to FP Markets, then I think that you know which one is more trustworthy. But okay, I go over the conclusion. Well, as you can see, FP Markets is a well-regulated broker. They offer a lot of trading instruments. You can deposit, including bank transfers, PayPal, credit cards, whatever. Hankotrade is an unregulated offshore broker, and it also has its downsides, but they do offer really low trading fees, so that's good. Both offer 1 to 500 leverage. If you want to deposit with Hankotrade, you can only use cryptocurrency. Regarding the customer support, both are good, right? But personally, I like FP Markets better, but that's just my personal preference. So to answer the question, which one is better, Hankotrade or FP Markets, when choosing between them, you have to consider factors like regulation, available instruments, funding methods, and educational support to determine the best fit for your trading needs. Personally, I would go for FP Markets because they're regulated, which is a really important factor for me. If you also want to test FP Markets, just check out the link down below in the description. And if you click on the link, you go to the homepage, and you are able to create a demo account or a live account, whatever you want, with really low spreads and trading fees. So again, just check out the link down below in the description, and I hope that this video made it a little bit better for you, or it opened your eyes regarding which Forex broker is better for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.